The chief guest, the Honorable President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Asif Ali Zardari.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I would like your attention to observe a 1-minute silence for the tragedies which happened in Islamabad and the tragedies of Iran. Excellencies, the Ambassador of Iran, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is an honor to join the people of Islamic Republic of Iran in marking the National Day on behalf of the people and the government of Pakistan. Pakistan, Iran, not only neighbors, we are civilizational partners. Our shared border reflects centuries of interaction, coexistence, and mutual respect. Our relationship is rooted in faith, history, and enduring cultural bonds that continue to shape our region. The first language and its great literary tradition have profoundly influenced Pakistan's intellect as an official language of large parts of the region, and now from Pakistan, its influence remains deeply embedded in our national conscience. Pakistan national anthem itself reflects the deep imprint of the Persian language on our collective identities. A long time before the time of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, the great Hafiz Zubain poet Sachal Sarmast, the renowned 18th century poet of Sindh, was composing a profound poetry in Farsi, reflecting a shared spiritual and philosophical space. Poets and thinkers such as Rumi, Hafiz, Saadi, Firdausi are widely respected in Pakistan, while Iqbal wrote much of his work in Farsi and remains a shared symbol of dignity and renewal for both our societies. Today, our region stands at a sensitive crossroad. Ongoing conflicts, terrorism, external interference, and unresolved regional flashpoints continue to threaten the stability. Pakistan firmly believes that such a challenge cannot be addressed through force or unilateral actions. History has shown that escalation only deepens mistrust and multiple human and economic cost. Any instability involving Iran or any attempt to resolve issues through military means carries grave risks. Such actions could destabilize the Gulf region, South Asia, and Western Asia, undermine global peace, and cause serious harms to global economy, and stakes are far higher for confrontation. Pakistan therefore supports dialogue, diplomacy, and strict adherence to international law and the United Nations Charter. We oppose unilateral sanctions, coercive measures, including against Iran, and believe the peaceful engagement best serves regional global security. Pakistan welcomes the efforts made at easing tension, encourage continued dialogue among relative parties in a constructive spirit with objectives of promoting peace and stability in the region. Pakistan and Iran also share responsibilities as neighboring countries. We remain committed to cooperation on border management, counter-terrorism, and turning our shared frontiers into zones of cooperation. Lawfully trade and development. Pakistan values balanced relationship globally and remains ready to play a constructive role in promoting restrained dialogue, and regional peace. On this important occasion, I extend my warm congratulations to the leadership and people of Iran. May our partnership continue to grow and our region move towards security, stability, and shared prosperity. Thank you. Pakistan, Iran, Zindabad.